Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Better Health While Aging. They're looking for a growth marketer for small online business. It pays up to $10,000 a month. Do your eyes light up at the thought of optimizing online marketing funnels and generating more leads? Would you love to grow sales for an online program that's already selling? And would you like to help more people concerned about aging parents find the guidance and support they've been looking for? If you'd like to become an integral part of a unique small online business that is out to make a big difference in people's lives, read on. Better Health While Aging is a popular health and caregiving education website created and curated by me, Dr. Leslie Kernison, a practicing geriatrician. I have a blog getting plenty of organic traffic, a large email list, a podcast, a YouTube channel, an online membership program, and now a newer online course for people helping aging parents with memory loss. I am now looking for a full-time growth marketing specialist with a proven track record of growing leads and sales to increase sales of my newer online course. Currently, the course is selling through an evergreen webinar funnel. We are making sales every month, but need to increase sales and revenue. As our marketing specialist, your first priority will be to get more people into the funnel or otherwise increase sales. I have a dedicated small 100% remote team serving a large, well-established online audience. I already reach millions of people online through my blog and podcast every year, and we're already supporting hundreds of paying program participants. I need you so that we can reach even more people navigating the challenges of aging parents. To date, the marketing has been done by me, but marketing is not my superpower, and I've realized it's time to team up with someone who loves marketing and is really good at it. Because I am looking for someone who can hit the ground running. You should already have experience with small course creator type of online businesses like mine. And you should know how to generate leads and sales. You should already have at least one marketing superpower that is relevant to my type of business. What you'll do in this marketing role: you'll own one key metric, the number of new course sales every month. You'll be analyzing data related to our evergreen marketing funnel and come up with ways to increase leads and increase sales. You'll be the lead on implementing any strategies and tactics you come up with, whether that's drafting a new sales page or setting up an improved email marketing series. We are a small team, and so initially you'll work closely with me. As I'm the lead talent for the business and also the expert on the audience, I'm looking forward to working closely with you to help implement the marketing activities. For example, I can help you tune up the copy so that it's consistent with my voice and brand, and if you decide you need me to make a short video, I'll record it. You will also be able to get some support from our project manager and our overseas virtual assistant. The business is currently small, but we are growing quickly, and so there's lots of potential to grow your role in the company. Once you've helped us improve our sales and revenue, you could be perfect for this job if you like the idea of working on a small, scrappy team where you'll be taking the lead on our top priority, increasing sales and revenue, are excellent at analyzing data, you're a data and numbers junkie, because marketing is often about the numbers, love being in the weeds brainstorming and writing a marketing campaign, are a decent copywriter, are organized and a good project manager. Because marketing campaigns have lots of moving pieces and you'll need to keep track of them. Like the growth hacking approach to marketing, work well with others, but also enjoy getting a lot done on your own. You can set sales goals and hit them. Appreciate the flexibility of working for a remote team where you'll have a lot of independence and autonomy. Love to work for a business that has a mission and is truly out to help people. Are already familiar with the tools we currently use, which include ActiveCampaign, Opt-in Monster, Google Analytics, Kajabi, and ClickUp. Bonus if you are good at setting up automations, are particularly interested in aging, health, or family caregiving. This position is not for you if you prefer to work for larger companies that have big marketing budgets or VC funding. Want to be part of a larger marketing team, need to be told what to do, don't want to be responsible for generating sales and revenue, have a lot going on already and don't have the time and focus to really dive in. Need a position that immediately can provide healthcare insurance and other benefits. Our company's core values include compassionate service. We serve families and older adults with kindness, empathy, and respect. Integrity and honesty. We do what we say we'll do, and if we can't, we renegotiate the commitment. Conscientiousness. We do things well and we get the details right. People before bigger profits. Serving our audience well and with integrity is more important than getting to bigger profits fast. commitment. We're committed to our mission of helping others and making a positive impact in their lives. Resourcefulness. We think outside the box and figure things out. Growth mindset. We love to learn and see every day as an opportunity to grow. Appreciation and gratitude. We cultivate appreciation, gratitude, and a positive approach to things. Work details. Our team works virtually, and you'll be working from a remote location of your choice. It's preferred that you be in Pacific time zone or Mountain time zone to facilitate overlap with my own work hours. I do most of my work while my children are away at school, and you should be able to have some overlap with my schedule on most days of the week. That said, as long as you are getting results and are able to coordinate with me and the rest of the team, you can have a lot of flexibility with your schedule. Usually, only minimal work will be needed on weekends, but you should be able to work occasionally on weekends if we are doing a launch or other all-hands-on-deck project. Compensation. Your compensation will be a monthly salary, plus bonus, commission pay based on the results achieved. We will negotiate your initial monthly salary based on your prior experience and projected ability to increase our revenue quickly. How to apply. You must follow the steps below for us to consider your application and respond to you. Please follow them in the order listed. 1. Please apply via Indeed. You must submit a personalized cover letter with your resume, explaining why you want to work for better health while aging in particular and why you are an excellent fit for this position. 2. You will be sent an Indeed assessment once you apply. Please note that you must complete this assessment promptly. We will reject applications that do not have the assessment completed within a day. We will only be reviewing and responding to applications from candidates who complete all the steps above, including a cover letter that is specific to this position and the assessment completed. Thank you once again for your interest in this position. I look forward to hearing from you. Job types: full-time, part-time, contract. Pay up to $10,000 per month. Benefits: flexible schedule Monday to Friday, self-determined schedule, supplemental pay, bonus pay, commission pay. Experience: digital marketing, 1 year required. Lead generation, 1 year required. Email marketing, 1 year required. Marketing automation, 1 year required. Conversion optimization, 1 year required.
If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you.
Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.